I'm going to take product photos of my Halloween countdown pumpkins, but as you see, my studio is set up for Christmas. I already showed you how you can easily take your own pictures at watermarks and make in-use videos, but today I'll show you how to set up your own studio by showing you how to set up a studio for Halloween. Instead of taking down my Christmas decor, I decided to go outside and bring my staging here. So we have these, me and Cecily by the way, these lava rocks, and I think they'll make a great background for my pictures. Also, I took some burlap, some artificial fall leaves, and also my son's creepy plastic spiders and a knife. The knife might not make sense, but one of my countdowns are magnetic, so I think this would make a great detail in my Halloween decor. But let's set up and show you how. I know I'll have to wait with taking my pictures since it's daylight now and I have too much light going on. But what I want to do, let's just remove the countdowns, is to create a scene. So I want my burlap to be pretty much hidden, and then I'll just take these fall leaves and place them around like this. I will add a few spiders over here, and I can now arrange everything, and as soon as I get a little more shade over here, I'll show you how to take the pictures. I just moved around a bit of everything, and if you ignore my shadow, you can actually see kind of how these images will look like. And I think it will be darn cute because it will have a fall vibe, but also with the spiders, it's still kind of Halloween. It's 4 in the afternoon and I'm ready to take my pictures. I have good shadow and still light, and also I placed my phone holder so I can make an in-use video. So to make the pictures, I'll just go to my camera, and I like to make everything in square format. The reason for that is that my pictures will be better for Etsy and Instagram as well. And if I make a collage, it's easier to add for in a square. So just take the pictures from different angles like this. And I'll also be taking a in-use video. So I'll be going to place my phone in my phone holder, which is laser cut. You can find the files in my Etsy shop and allstarsdesign.com. And I'll just keep rearranging everything until I'm satisfied with the pictures. I'll just take a few now and I can finish off later. So now I'll move my phone to my holder. And since I'm a little off on the area, I'll move everything a little closer. Like this. And I can now reset these. And I'm ready to film. So I'll take my ornaments and I'll give them a nice turn. Show that this one is magnetic and that it turns. push it back on, and that's it.
After shooting all my pictures, I use CapCut to edit my video and speed it up to 15 seconds, which is what Etsy wants for in-use videos. My pictures, I just added my watermarks. I use an app called Watermark, and you can simply batch edit all of them at once. So this entire project took about 10 minutes to take pictures, videos, and edit them. So that's pretty fast and easy to do. What do you think? Do you like them? Please drop a comment below.